Vehicle Monthly Consumption Reports, Hour. The Vehicle Monthly Consumption Reports, Hour feature tracks monthly vehicle operation hours alongside diesel consumption, offering insights into fleet efficiency, maintenance needs, and fuel planning. Purpose. This report helps in monitoring vehicle operational efficiency, scheduling preventive maintenance, understanding fuel consumption trends. Key features. Select vehicle type. Choose between own or hire vehicles to filter the report based on fleet ownership. Branch-wise report. Displays vehicle usage hours organized by branch for localized fleet analysis. Monthly usage data. Each vehicle's monthly usage hours are recorded in a table with columns labeled April, May, June, July to March. Hours indicate the total operational time per vehicle per month. Table structure. Branch. Vehicle name. Vehicle code. Vehicle type. April, May, June to March. Interpretation. Toyota Innova. 120.5 hours of usage in April, 130 hours in May, and so on. Honda City. No recorded operational hours, meaning it was not used. Export to Excel. Download the report in Excel format for analysis and record keeping. Vehicle Monthly Consumption Reports, KM. The Vehicle Monthly Consumption Reports, KM feature tracks monthly vehicle mileage and diesel consumption, providing insights into fleet performance and cost management. Purpose. This report helps in monitoring kilometers driven per vehicle per month, assessing fuel efficiency, planning budgets and operations. Key features. Select vehicle type. Filter by own or hire vehicles based on ownership. Branch-wise report. Displays vehicle mileage by branch to track usage patterns. Monthly mileage data. The table displays kilometers traveled per month, with columns labeled April, May, June, July to Mar. Table structure. Branch. Vehicle name. Vehicle code. Vehicle type. April, May, June to March. Interpretation. Toyota Innova. 500 kilometers traveled in April, 520 kilometers in May, etc. Consistent use. Honda City. No recorded kilometers, indicating no trips. Export to Excel. Download the report for detailed analysis and record keeping. Vehicle Transferring Report provides insights into vehicle movements between branches, tracking deployment history, working hours, and kilometers traveled at each location. Purpose. This report helps in monitoring vehicle transfers across branches/sites, tracking deployment dates and site-wise usage, measuring working hours and distance covered at each location, ensuring efficient resource allocation. Key features. Branch-wise report. Displays vehicle transfer data grouped by branch, offering a clear view of fleet distribution. Vehicle transfer history. Table structure. Branch. Vehicle code. Vehicle name. View transfer history. Clicking View next to a vehicle redirects to the Vehicle Transferring History page, showing the complete transfer log. When viewing a specific vehicle's history, the Vehicle Transferring History page provides detailed records of transfers across different sites and branches. Features. Entries and search. Adjust the number of records displayed. Use the search option to filter by site, date, or vehicle. Detailed working table. The table includes name of site, from date to date, start hour, start kilometer, cumulative hour, cumulative kilometer, site working HR, site working, explanation, start hour, and start KM vehicles meter readings at the beginning of deployment, cumulative hour, and Cumulative KM final readings when the deployment ended. Site working HR and site working KM. Total hours and kilometers the vehicle worked at that site. Export to Excel. Download the report for analysis, compliance, and operational insights. The Vehicle Monthly Consumption Report provides detailed insights into diesel consumption and operating hours for each vehicle, helping businesses optimize fuel efficiency and operational costs. Purpose. This report helps in tracking fuel usage and vehicle efficiency, identifying cost-saving opportunities, monitoring operational patterns and branch-wise consumption, assisting in maintenance scheduling based on usage. Key features. Export to Excel. Download the report for record keeping, analysis, and sharing. Vehicle type selection. Filter by own or hire vehicles to focus on specific categories. Branch-wise report. Analyze fuel usage and operating hours per branch. Table structure. Branch. Vehicle name. Vehicle code. Vehicle type. April to March. Interpretation. Toyota Innova 10462 consumed 53 liters of diesel in April, 54 liters in May, etc. Honda City 10463 has dash entries indicating no recorded consumption for those months. Download the Excel report for further analysis, compliance reporting, and budget planning.